welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin, and this week, something very quick. We're gonna make some potato salad. And trust me when I say it's quick, it's quick. But what we're doing right now, we're waiting for the potatoes to cook, and when they're all done, I'm gonna bring them over here. We're gonna put everything together, and I have a special guest that's gonna taste test for me. See you in a few minutes. Okay folks, the potatoes are done. And no thanks to my peanut gallery in behind the camera. It's only taken me about 5 minutes to get going here. Okay, this, like I said, it's very simple and easy. So we already have, and actually Kelly did this, we got some green onion, celery, peppers, carrots. We're gonna dump them in. Woo, just like that. And if I don't throw everything around. Finely diced cheese. Eggs. You can do it however you want. Some people like the eggs on top. Some people like it in. This is Kelly's recipe. Well, it's not actually, it's her mom's. I don't know.
That was how my mom did it. Yeah.
Now, for the sauce. Trust me, we are not getting difficult with the sauce here.
And it's got to be Miracle Whip.
Miracle Whip.
I do not. I don't like it with.
Well, Miracle Whip is a salad dressing, so
yeah.
it adds a little bit of flavor.
I prefer that. Except that mayo goes on sandwiches.
Yes. Of course, I've only been telling my wife years for that, and she's finally discovered I was right.
And there's nothing worse than a dry potato salad, so.
Oh.
Gotta have lots of sauce.
Yeah. Okay. I hate when it does this. Oh, there it goes. And that's probably, well, we'll find out, won't we? All right. A drop of mustard.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
Who's cooking? Not that much.
That's too much.
No, it's not.
Don't overdo it with that either. And by the way, that's Chef's Choice Thrive salad dressing. I mean, salad dressing. Chef's Choice seasoning.
Yep.
Oh, good Lord. Seasoning is one of, you remember that recipe or that commercial about
Frank's Red Hot Sauce.
Red Hot Sauce, and it says I put that blank on everything. That's like the Thrive seasoning.
Yep.
We put that blank in everything. All my German friends are probably going, no.
You have friends? All right, now, the trick part here is not to like stir hard.
And not make a mess like you usually do when you stir things.
That's right. Because we don't really want to break up potatoes. Oh, the other thing is, cool your potatoes first.
Don't want hot potatoes with mayo.
Nope.
That would just be nasty.
Well, plus the potatoes break up when they're hot. Okay. I think.
All right, Len. Go over there and have a taste test.
Len is going to be my taste tester.
Guinea pig.
Come on over here.
Okay.
Where the camera is. There you go. Okay.
awesome.
Okay, there you go. Now it is much better once you chill it.
Yeah.
It the flavor comes out a lot
Yeah.
better. But that is it. Very simple, easy potato salad, quick to put together, especially for these hot summer days. So I want to thank everybody for coming along this week. And like I say every week, I don't know what I'm making next week, but I'm sure Kelly will tell me. Have a good week.
You gotta keep this in the video. I look like Brody with his chin on the counter.
Okay, all right, quiet, quiet.
Oh my gosh.